Picture this. You're sitting at your kitchen table, staring at your bank account, and you feel that familiar feeling, that quiet, low-grade shame. The numbers just never seem to move. Maybe I'm just bad with money. Here's what I want you to know. You're not, and I can prove it. Think about everything you learned in school. Algebra, the water cycle, the causes of World War I, 12+ years of education, not one class on how a credit score works, not one lesson on why your savings account is quietly losing value every year. You were handed a diploma and sent into a financial system that nobody explained to you. So no, you're not bad with money. You were just never given the instruction manual. The modern financial system is genuinely complicated, and it was built by people who understood it. Let's start with the first thing nobody taught you. How money actually disappears without you spending it. It's called inflation. Costs go up around 2 to 3% every year. The $10,000 sitting at 0.5% interest is actually losing purchasing power every year. You look at the number and it says $10,000, but what it can buy, that's shrinking. Here's what most financial advice sounds like. Track every dollar, cut your coffee, stop eating out. Budgeting puts 100% of the pressure on willpower, the least reliable financial tool you own. Your brain values things available right now far more than things available later. The people who build wealth don't have more discipline. They built better systems, automatic transfers, pre-committed contributions, accounts you have to work to access. Is your car an asset? Most people say yes. Unless it earns you money, it's an expense. It depreciates the second you drive it off the lot. Real assets do one thing. They grow in value or generate income over time. Most people spend their entire working lives buying expenses and wondering why they never build wealth. Once you realize your budget didn't fail because you're undisciplined, the game shifts. First, automate your saving before you touch your paycheck. Pay yourself first. Even $50 or $100 per month moved automatically into a separate account before you see it. The S&P 500 has averaged around 10% annually. Inflation averages around 3%. That spread is where wealth is built. Before any purchase, one question. Does this grow in value or cost me money over time? A 2024 study found that only 57% of American adults are financially literate. Financial success isn't about intelligence, income, or discipline. It's about information. The people who build wealth early weren't smarter than you. They were just taught earlier. You're looking right now, and that already puts you ahead of where you were yesterday. So no, you're not bad with money. Now that you understand it, you can actually start playing it. If this video shifted something for you, hit subscribe.